To live. Live with your parents. Live in a flat. A town. A small town. Live in a town. To study. Study at home. Study English. To do. Do your homework. Do your job. To need. Need a new mobile phone. Need water. A street. A quiet street. A busy street. They live in France. We study English at school. I live in a noisy street. You need a new bike. My brothers do their homework with our mother. You need a new car. And your sister needs a new school bag. I live in a small town. But my brother lives in a big city. I do my homework in my bedroom. But my sister does her homework in the kitchen. Emily's friends study Polish, but she studies German. My parents live in a noisy street, but my grandmother lives in a small and quiet street. I live. You live. They live. You live. We live. He, she, it lives. My friend works on a busy street. These flowers need water. Those taxi drivers drive in small streets. That painter lives here with his family. I study French. But my brother studies German. I do my homework with my brother. But my sister does her homework with our mother. We wash the dishes. And our mother washes our clothes.